Welcome to Ridhivage Finance. And guess what? Last week we have missed out the Pine Lab Limited because in hush hush we don't rush to the market as we see that we have launched our grow analysis and nobody watch it. So it does not motivate us to put it Pine Lab on the spot on the YouTube channel. This right now we will give it stock analysis for Pine Lab Limited, and you can watch it. Trust me, this Pine Lab may be worth for your wallet even. So we will go with the first of all IPO detail right now right here. So if we see, the symbol will be the Pine Lab and the issue period 7th of November 2025 to 11th November 2025. So issue type is 100% book build issue, price range between 210 to 221 per equity shares, 21 shares per equity per lot, and the discount, sorry, 21 rupees per equity share will be eligible employees a discount. Okay, so 67 shares as per lot. And subscription amount for retail individual investor is up to, is it 2 lakh or 3 lakh? It's 2 lakhs. And maximum subscription amount for eligible employee up to 5 lakh. 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. IPO market time. Book running lead manager are Axis Capital Limited, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, Citigroup Global Market India Private Limited, JP Morgan India Private Limited, and Jeffrey India Private Limited. Guess what? Sponsor bank is Axis Bank and HDFC. So here is the qualified institutional buyer show interest in this IPO up to what, 4.80 number of total meant for the category, and non-individual investor show interest very quietly less, 0.30 number of total meant for the category. Retail individual investor show interest in this IPO, 1.22 number of total meant for the category. Employee has shown more interest, 7.35 number of total meant for the category. Overall, this IPO has got subscribed around 2.46 number of total meant for the category. So as we see the consolidated report or anything, this company has literally given a good listing. I mean, as comparing as the other companies given a listing gain, I mean their IPO price is 221 and the stock market as Pine Lab open at around 221 and goes up to 284. Do you believe it? 284 on the day of listing gain. I mean, this listing gain by Pine Lab may increase it even in the nearest future, up to 1 to 2 months down the line, according to Ridhivage Finance. So, do you believe it? What our stats speak about the stock analysis of Pine Lab? So, in case it really worth for your wallet, you should give the what you believe the stat target should be for this stock. You can comment it, and we will have a one game for all of you. What stats speak about your is true or R is true versus false. So what is your opinion about stock analysis for Pine Lab? I mean, stock target for 2026. We are also commenting right now stock analysis target for 2026 for Pine Lab right now, right here. So the stock target for Pine Lab Limited, probably Ridhivage Finance is expecting this Pine Lab may cross around 500 rupees per stock in the next 3 months. Do you believe it is feasible one, whatever we are giving? Suppose this stock may go down. Trust me, it can goes even down. It can touch the volatility in this stock will maintain in the next 3 to 6 months down the line. So it will touch 500 and it will also touch down the line 190 rupees. Okay, so we have given a good amount So probably you will not get 190, but probably you will get switched between 330, 350 to 500 within 2026. Stock target will be there for you. So is it fine? How many are agree with our stock stat? Let me know into the. Please note that this is just like a prediction. So if you are buying at a higher price, just think 10 times more than us, because you're putting money from your wallet, not from our wallet, okay? And don't blame us. Thank you, by Prithvish Finance. Whenever you go and pay with the UPI, just remember us that whether which UPI you are using, and let me know into comments. There are a number of UPI available into the market. See, look at, there are three UPIs, means two UPIs already, SpineLab and Paytm. Both are start with a P, but both are having different strategy while launch their IPO in the market. Yeah, number of people say Paytm will cross 1600, 1800. As Ridhvej Finance speak about it, or 2000. It's not a USD we are talking, it's all about rupees we are talking. So what is your idea? Think about the Pine Lab target and Paytm target. Let me know into the comment right now, right here. Have a great Sunday. Happy to all of you.